Bonjour mga Madam Loves and Bossy! Hello po! So now, I'm going to show you the 3 travel bags na napakaganda in Gucci, Miu Miu, and Louis Vuitton. So as of now, open po natin si Miu Miu so that you can see how beautiful this one, and this one is a pre-order of my Madam. So ayan po siya mga Madam Loves and Bossy. This is the Miu Miu Bow Bag in leather, cognac. As you can see, ayan po mga Madam, napakaganda. Ayan. I-unbox naman po natin is this one, is the Gucci. So this one is a travel bag also. And ito naman po ang itsura niya. This one is in canvas. Ayan mga Madam Loves. For Louis Vuitton, lagi silang complete inclusions including box po, no? Ayan siya mga Madam. This one is the Speedy size 30 soft leather, and this one is very, very hard to find. Ayan po. So these are the 3 travel bags ng iba-ibang brand, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Miu Miu. This one naman, this Miu Miu, kaya po siya sumikat ng sobra-sobra. Kasi nga po, yung mga ambassador nila, tuwang-tuwa dito. Why? Because if you will buy this one, you will have a very, very spacious bag, mga Madam. Talagang lahat pwede mo malagay. And as you can see, as I open it, very, very good and exquisite craftsmanship on the inside. And of course, you have this zip line, both sides, mga Madam. And this one is already an RFID bag. So, hindi agad-agad na i-scan yung mga laman nila. And as you can see, it's very impeccable design kasi hanggang ilalim yung zipper niya. So, ang nakikita ko po kapag nagta-travel po ako, ang kanilang mga bags is nakaganito po. Ayan po. Ganyan po nila ginagamit ito, mga Madam. Ayan siya. Di ba mas malaki yung mga Madam? Actually, kasya dito yung anyong iPad, yung laptop, pwede nyo naman isiksik. Kaya lang po, baka magkulang sa height because the height of this one is 23 cm and then the length will be 34 cm. When it comes to Gucci naman, mga Madam, as you can see, this one is also a perfect traveling bag and very, very low maintenance bag, mga Madam, because it's canvas, mga Madam. Pwedeng mabasa, pwedeng pangharabas, napakaganda rin. Panalong-panalo because this one, we source it from the outlet in Germany, and this one is 109,880 pesos only. Ayan siya mga Madam, meron siyang lock din dito, and then we have the back tag, and of course you have the sleeve. So this one naman, to go naman ang eksena neto, mga Madam, di ba? And then this one naman, if you are very classy, mga naka-shades. So this one is very good for mommies with kids. And then this one is good for business owners, mga Madam, kapag wala kayong kasamang mga bata. And of course, this one naman, very classic kasi for me eh. Kung papipiliin din po ako sa tatlo, I will be having a hard time to choose kung ano talaga ang pwede kong maisama sa airport because all of them are perfect in different case of scenarios, di ba mga Madam? So, kayo na lang po ang decide kung sino sa kanila ang inyong pipiliin, or you can take it all, kagaya ng ibang mga Madam dito sa Baggage PH. So, ayun siya mga Madam, these are the 3 travel bags.
Kayo po na lang pumili dahil I'm also having a hard time kasi they are very, very nice in their different scenarios, mga Madam.
So, ayun siya mga Madam. Thank you so much. So, to know more about these kinds of bags, just message us here at Baggage PH.